25 million men, women, and children in the U.S. are diagnosed with diabetes. Another 7 million have it and don't even know it, with 2 million of them learning they have it this year. There is no cure for the disease, but as News Channel 5's Roxanne Stein reports, some of the first patients to receive a medical breakthrough treatment can now say they had type 1 diabetes and are now insulin-free.
It's Tranelle May's job to make sure everything is set and ready to go for surgery.
I see all the time people getting pancreases and kidneys.
She's a transplant tech, and ironically, she is one of the first people in the United States to receive an islet cell transplant to cure her type 1 diabetes.
I can't imagine not wearing my insulin pump, like what that would be like to not worry about doing a blood sugar. I can't grasp that fully.
The 43-year-old has been dealing with diabetes since she was 13.
I feel like I've been dealing with it all my life.
Before her insulin pump, Tranelle was giving herself 5 shots a day. Ohio State University transplant surgeon Amir Rajab sees the sickest of the sick. Their only option, a pancreas transplant.
Patient doesn't need the whole pancreas. The patient needs only the cells, the islet. Only these cells, which they constitute almost around 2 to 5% of the whole pancreas.
Tranelle is part of new research that is transplanting only the insulin-making islet cells. During a 9-hour process, surgeons dissect a donor pancreas, separate, purify, and test the islet cells. Then, through an IV, not an operation, the cells are transplanted.
We inject them into the liver, not into the pancreas.
The patient still needs to take anti-rejection medicine. Success is measured if the patients can stop taking insulin altogether. So far, the success rate is 65%, compared to 80% for a full pancreas transplant. 8 weeks after Tranelle's transplant, she's down from 70 units of insulin a day to 20, and she is set to go in for a second islet cell transplant.
Maybe we can find something that when a kid is first diagnosed, we can wipe it away. I would be all for that.
A cure for her could be a cure for millions. Roxanne Stein, WPTV, News Channel 5.